In this video, I'm going to explain whether YouTube TV has channels and how they work within the service. Yes, YouTube TV offers a wide variety of live TV channels, making it a great alternative to traditional cable. These channels include popular networks like ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, ESPN, CNN, HGTV, and many more. Over 100 channels in total, depending on your location. When you subscribe to YouTube TV, you gain access to these live channels, which allow you to watch shows, sports, news, and events as they air in real time. In addition to live TV, YouTube TV also provides an on-demand library for many channels, where you can watch past episodes or movies without needing to record them. You can browse available channels by using the guide section in the app or website, which organizes them by category, such as sports, entertainment, or kids programming. Another great feature is the ability to record live TV using the cloud DVR, which saves content for up to 9 months. It's important to note that the exact channel lineup varies based on your zip code, so you'll need to enter your location during sign-up to see the full list of channels available in your area. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand how channels work on YouTube TV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.